Lucky. You got a surprise?
Yeah.
Who got your surprise?
You?
Who am I?
My mom.
Okay, go get your surprise. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
You have? You have opened the plastic bag?
No,
Not yet?
not yet.
You tried to peek through the plastic bag?
And I read the name.
Okay, let's see what's in there.
I read the name too.
Okay, what plastic bag is that?
Wham, wham.
Ooh, that's so cool.
All right here.
Park right there.
Get some wood. Look at the trailer. It detaches from the truck as well.
Is that your surprise?
But it was hauling the surprise. It was dragging it.
Oh, okay. You've had that a long time?
Yeah, but only this one you can scan on your app.
Oh, there's an app.
So let me read the name.
Why don't you open it?
Duh.
Get it from the plastic bag. What's in there? What is it?
I've seen this on one of my YouTube channels.
You did?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Oh.
Take it to me. Let me see. Is it one of your favorite movies?
Yeah.
What does it say?
It's got Dom on the picture.
Oh, there's Dom. Yeah, Fast and the Furious. Dodge.
Charger Off-Road 1970.
That's right. Ooh, it's off-road. That's why it's got spare tires at the back. And it says in here... Wait, what does it say? Free download. Oh, a Fast and the Furious movie maker. Wow, maybe we can download that and make a movie later using that app. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, time to...
Open it.
Okay, it says in here, Fast and the Furious 1970 Dodge Charger Off-Road. Fast and Furious filmmaker. It says in here you can record, edit, then play. Create your own action-packed scenes. Wow. We're going to make a movie. Okay, time to
Open it.
open it. Oh, are you eating it?
No, I'm trying to open it by eating it.
Okay.
I'm just gonna rip it instead.
Okay.
Rip.
Do you need help? Careful, because I think I need to scan it to get the app.
Okay, hold on.
You need help? Can you do it?
Got it.
Hurry, hurry.
Pull this thing.
Careful.
Oopsie.
Don't ruin the barcode. Okay. Be careful. Open it first. Take out the cardboard at the back. Good job. You got it? Be careful with the box, okay? What's in there? Show me.
It's metal.
It's made of die-cast metal.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's black and it's got some spare tires at the back because it's off-road. You think that can mix and match with the other Fast and the Furious cars?
I think it can.
Wow. What's that number 3 on your hand?
Gate 3.
Oh, that's where you came out from today
Yeah.
at school? Gate 3. Okay. Show us the spare tires. Wow. Okay. Tell the kids that we're going to download the app and watch out for the next video.
So we're going to download the app and then we're going to watch out for the next video.
Say, please watch out for the next video.
Please watch out for the next video in the comments below. And watch this, kids.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa!
Boink. Wow. Is today Friday?
Yeah.
Friday is?
last day of school.
Last day of school during the week, and it's rewards day. Oink.
Winky,
Okay, say thank you for watching.
thanks for watching. We're gonna do an episode where we're gonna show our other Fast and Furious cars, which you're gonna probably see it later. A little later when the time gets to like 4:40, or
Okay.
like 4:30. When the time gets to 4:30, we're gonna make the next video.
So tell them to subscribe.
Tell them to
What?
subscribe.
Tell them. Talk to them. Don't forget
Don't
to...
forget to subscribe to my other channels for lots more Fast and Furious videos.
Yeah, it's all going to be on Lucky Kids TV channel. We haven't set up the new channels yet. So don't forget to subscribe.
For my
Who are you talking to? Are you talking to the chair?
No. Subscribe for my other titles on my channel.
Okay.